time for a double dose of gossips, fun, games, and oodles of drama as India Forums turns a teen. Yes, viewers, you heard that right. Your one destination to all the news and behind the scene drama from the glitz biz world. Your favorite portal, India Forums, turns 13. Look what your favorite celebs have to say.
Wow! 13 years!
इंडिया फोरम्स की 13वीं सालगिरह पे वी विश यू वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे।
इंडिया फोरम्स 13 साल हो रहे हैं। आप मेरे से 6 महीने बड़े हैं इंडिया फोरम्स, क्योंकि मेरे 13 साल 30 जून को होंगे।
इंडिया फोरम्स इसी तरह से काम करते रहे, इसी तरह से हमें एंटरटेन करते रहे, इसी तरह से हमें हमारे फैन से मिलाते रहे, हमें हमारे गिफ्ट्स पहुंचाते रहे।
Thank you so much for all the gifts that come through you. Thank you so much for all the blessings, all the love that comes through you. And the connectivity becomes strong. हम लोगों को पता चलता है कि फैंस को क्या पसंद है, क्या नहीं पसंद है। और you know, it's fun to actually sometimes read about the banter.
Listen, happy 13th birthday, India Forums. I'm so excited. You're as old as me. We are teenagers now. You should go out.
Happy birthday, India Forums, and thank you so much for being a part of my life throughout my career. क्योंकि जब मेरा करियर शुरू हुआ था तो इंडिया फोरम ऑलरेडी था।
I've had lots of moments. I think I've been on TV now since 2012 regularly, having done Pyar Ka Dard, India's Got Talent, and now Ishqbaz. And I think India Forums is one portal which has been with me through the journey. It has seen the growth. It has seen me through great times and good times and some not so good times. And
बट अभी तक 13 साल हो गए, मुझे अभी तक समझ नहीं आया वो आपका जो नंबरिंग सिस्टम है वो चलता कैसे है। अब तो समझा दो, 13 साल हो गए, अब तो समझा दो कि वो रैंकिंग सिस्टम चलता कैसे है। डॉली जी समझा दो।
I have a complaint also. So I think the first year of TV they had a huge party for the completion of their 8th birthday or something. Since then there hasn't been a party. Why? I want a party, India Forums.
I hope it's a lucky 13 for you guys. Congratulations.
क्या बात है लड़की! आज तक तुमने बोला सल्यूट है देखो, सल्यूट। चलिए।
Happy birthday. For endless gossip, fun, and drama, keep watching India Forums because it is addiction at its best. Ashima Chavda, Kajal, camera person Mangesh, Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi guys, this is Karan Vahi and you're watching IndiaForums.com and please subscribe. The YouTube link है ना